Do you want to make sure your best TikTok videos are seen by all of your followers? Pinning them to the top of your profile is a great way to do that. In this video, I'll show you how to pin videos on TikTok on Android. After watching this video, you'll be able to pin your TikTok videos to the top of your profile with ease, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to get started. First, open up the TikTok application, and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your TikTok profile, tap on the video that you want to pin, and then tap on these three little dots at the bottom right of the screen. As you can see, there is the option to pin the video. So go ahead and tap on the pin, and there you go. Now that video is pinned to the top of my TikTok profile. So let's pin another video. Tap on a video, and then tap on these three little dots at the bottom right of the screen, and then tap on the pin. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.